Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Tuesday, May 11. The time is around 2:30 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of gold. This is a pretty simple, straightforward chart. We can see we ended 2 in the intermediate degree right here. So that means we are currently within the wave 5, within the wave 3 in the intermediate degree, and within the wave 3 we should be looking to correct in the wave 2 here. So we ended 1 of 3 here. Now looking for a wave 2 of 3 in 3-7-11 swing before turning higher. So if this count is valid, then that means gold could see correction of this 5 ways rally. So we got from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the minor degree, ending primary degree with 1, and now looking for an ABC to end the primary with 2, and then extend higher again in the wave 3 of 3 technically. So we continue to favor the upside. So you see the right side is higher, green. So what that means is you remember this one, we prefer to trade in the direction of the green. So that means this pullback is not in the direction of the green tag, which is higher, so we do not favor that, right? We don't like trading turning up, turning down arrows. So this one is right side arrow, not turning up or turning down. So that means this is firmly to the upside, right? So what that means then is that a pullback here, if it can happen, is going to be the opportunity here to basically participate in the next move to the upside in gold. And the pullback, if it can happen, is going to be in 3-7-11 swing. So if, let's say, if instead of pulling back it breaks higher again, then most likely if that happens, we could still make an adjustment in which we could perhaps place 3 here and place 4 here, and then that push higher into new high still can be counted for now as a wave 5 of 1 with a larger pullback to happen again afterwards, right? So the bottom line is, as long as we stay above this wave 2 and especially this wave 2 in blue here, which is the around 1750, then we should be able to see gold continue to move to the upside. All right, so that is the idea here. And as always, if you do want to get regular updates on gold, silver, or anything else, Forex, Commodities, Indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the YouTube video. I'll see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day to you all.